Hey there! Normally I do reviews on tarot cards and such, but today I'm doing a review on the SHURE MV7 microphone, same one that Joe Rogan uses. Well, I don't know if he still uses it, but it is one of the best microphones out there. And I bought it so that I could specifically upgrade my intuitive videos on YouTube. And we all know that sound is an important part of the whole thing. So if you are an intuitive spiritual podcaster or teacher or YouTuber like I am, you will really enjoy this microphone. And I do all my recordings through my iPhone 12. So you could either do this kind of cord, and that's for like if you have the big machine that goes with it, the big whatever sound machine. I don't know. Okay, I'm not a sound engineer type person. I'm very newbie at all this, but this is the USB one that it came with. Now I knew that, my iPhone has a lightning plug, right? iPhone 12. So I had to get this Apple Lightning to USB 3 adapter. I had to get with it so that it could hook up to my iPhone. And you'll notice the sound difference because I actually have to unplug the microphone to show you this piece, okay? But you'll see the difference in sound. Okay, so here's the piece that I had to get. So it plugs into this kind of triple USB thingy-mabob. And then this little wonky piece plugs into my iPhone. Okay, so that's how you do that. So I'm going to reset this, put it back in, and have that awesome, sure quality sound that the MV7 gives me. There's that beautiful sound again. Isn't it nice and rich? Okay, so another thing I had to do with that adapter thingy is it wouldn't go into my port on my phone, and I thought I got the wrong cord at first, and then some kind of intuitive download happened and I realized I had to cut my rubber casing, the protective rubber casing on my iPhone. I had to cut it a little tiny bit just so that it would flip up so I could put that cord inside the hole, okay? So don't think that you got the wrong cord. You probably are like me with a case and there's a little bit of trouble there. All you got to do is make one tiny little cut and it kind of makes a flap and then it'll plug right in and out and you can still use your protective case because if you're like me, you drop your phone like 3 times a day. Another thing that happens when you go on the USB, whether you do it for your desktop or your iPhone, you're still going to need the app that goes with this Shure microphone. So when I did it on my iPhone, because I do everything on my iPhone, when I did it, it automatically said, oh, you've got the Shure microphone plugged in. You need this app. Download now. And so you download it and then you go on your way and then you start to use the software, which is kind of fun too. Me being a newbie and I'm not a sound engineer by any means, I chose the option that says automatically do my stuff. Okay, so what happens is whether you talk loud or talk quiet, it still evens you out and it just kind of helps you out that way if you're not very good at sound yet. But there's a lot of really great YouTube videos out there that will help you with all that, extra cool programming stuff inside if you want to make your microphone really awesome sounding and all that. But I'm not ready for that yet. I'm happy with how it is right now. And I did a few more tests of my own. And you're just going to have to play with yours when you get yours. And you'll find the right sound for you. Another thing, too, is when I use the earphones, because there's another jack back here, too, for the earphones right there. So you could, hear yourself in the earphones as you speak. There's that. At first I thought, oh man, this isn't working. And I got frustrated, but then I realized I had to toggle this button. There's a button that shows microphone or the headphones. And when you toggle that, you can see and make this by sliding your finger on top. It'll make the volume of your mic louder, or if you're toggled onto the earphones, it'll make your earphones louder. So yeah, take a look at all those kind of cool features too. I really love this unit. It's so sexy. It's fun. I love it. Sure, you did really good with this MV7. All right. So those are the things that are coming to mind now. I'm sure there's other things I've missed. Yes, but there's a ton of other videos that are wonderful to show you all the little intricacies. All right. So if you are an intuitive podcaster or an intuitive teacher or an intuitive YouTuber like I am, you're going to love the new Shure MV7 for your videos. All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like to my videos. I'm sure there's something, if you're a spiritual person, you're going to really love this channel with everything woo-woo. Try out the spoon bending one. Try out the energy forecasts. There's all sorts of stuff for everybody. All right. Thank you. I'm Trina, your intuitive guide from the Moon Tree. Bye for now.